1. Power off the computer. 2. Insert bootable flash drive. If you don't have a bootable flash drive, link is in the description below. 3. Power on your computer and tap the boot key menu F12. Let's go follow this video. Power on. Press F12. Select US.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Now you can remove your bootable flash drive. Now you have a Windows 11 operating system. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe.